Okay, here we go. All right. Remember the thing I said about the quiz not having anything to do with the triangles? Uh, I was wrong because I found a bunch of questions on Problem Addict on on that on that triangle naming stuff. So looks like you're gonna have a quiz. Okay. All right. So the diagram below shows Hij right here. All right, and then it went from here to here. So what's the transformation? So it went from here to here. What's the transformation? Yeah, reflection across the y-axis. Okay, which graph below shows this across the y-axis? Now, this is really small. This is why I didn't put this on the quiz, because I didn't want you guys to have to like look really, really, really hard like at this. So I kept this for the homework. So let's make this a little bit larger, a little bit better. So if you reflect this across the y-axis, what would that look like? Reflect this across the y-axis. Yeah, right here, right? Now this one, I have a feeling that some of you are gonna get this wrong, and for like a very tiny reason. So if you reflect this over, right, reflect this letter over the x-axis, what would that look like? If you pick D, you would be wrong. Why? Look, there's no space here, right? Between the letter F and the x-axis here, there's a space. Okay, so that's the most common wrong answer. So that means C would be correct, right? You flip this over upside down, right? And there's no space here. Notice? No space here. Okay? All right. Let's shrink this screen again. Okay, all right. So what's the name of this triangle? By the way, so on the quiz, you're going to see questions like this. So it's largely definitional, which means you could, if you study for the quiz, you'll get 100. Okay, because like this is it. Like there's nothing to understand here. Like you have to, right? It's a triangle, right? Okay, what's the name of the triangle? Now look at the choices. Acute looks about right. Obtuse, that's not true. Obtuse is a gigantic angle, right? Square, okay, that makes no sense. Right triangle, not true. No right angle, right? So it's acute. Okay. Last one. Mrs. Bennington used a scalene triangle in a quilt pattern. Which is a scalene triangle? Oh, good question. What is a scalene? So what's a scale? Look back at your notes. What's a scalene triangle again? Yeah, it's when all three sides are different, right? So look at A. Are all three sides different? No, that's 4, 4, 3, right? How about B? All the sides different? No, all three sides are the same. As a matter of fact, it's like the opposite. This is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so that's not it. C, 4, 2, 5. Well, all three sides are different. That looks pretty good. But let's just make sure. D, 3, 3, 4. Well, these two sides are equal. So that's not a what? That's not a scalene. What kind of triangle is that? When you look at A and D, right? What kind of triangles are those? Yeah, those are isosceles, right? When exactly two sides are the same. But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for a scalene. That leaves us with C. All right, I'm going to submit. I forgot the answer key again. So here we go. And that's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
OMG, that was so good.